egg sauce and yam. Made to order. Come and join me. It's like it's or soup, but they're not fresh or how they still green. Hey Jesus. With all kinds of stuff. With dry fish. Which is chapel? This I cook with. I wish I could package him to America. I put him in my package it to America. Yota. Why don't they enjoy in Nigeria? Why enjoy in Nigeria? Do you know what it is to do this? I cook every morning. What do you want to eat? They cook for you. You know? What do you want to eat? They cook for you. What soup would you like today? They cook for you. Ha! America. You can't do it. It's not possible. You don't have, if the people do it to people that have money, they do it every day, but you know, it's expensive to do. You know? Well, Elish. If I can package chips to America. Shoes, I want to package you to America, put you in my luggage. But this one that Trump is taking over. We'll be watching him. So come and eat. I told you come and eat, right? Come and eat. I'll talk to you guys about something later on. For this 2025, it's for you. When I say you, mean you. If you're like me, you have done enough for people. You have sacrificed enough, so take care of you. Whatever makes your soul happy, do it. And leave all this fake life people are living on, because if you follow it, you will not live your own. Everyone's always complaining about something, you know. And then enhance the relationships that are good for you. Recognize when they expire and let them go. You know? Because sometimes we make the mistake about carrying people along through our journey. It's not necessary. But make sure you pay attention. Okay? Anyway, this is my little tips. When I'm eating yam, boiled yam with egg sauce for breakfast. I don't want to eat this every breakfast. So I'll come back and make a video about something I want you guys to pay attention to, because after you make so much mistake in life, you have to now go back to tap into certain experiences. You have to let your experience lead you this year. We'll enter the year of opportunities. There's so much in stock for everyone. When you're on your lane, has nothing to do with anybody. I want to come back and make an elaborated video. Maybe I will have it like in segments so that it doesn't get too long. You can be able to, you know, listen to it and pay attention. So please try to go back and look at yourself. Don't, without making excuses, trying to blame people. Look at yourself and see what you can fix. You will see how that will take you for a very long time. Okay? Thank you. 2025 has started though.